Tootie just let her do anything too. Look at Fred. Tootie and Faith and Stevie and Fred. All four of my children.
Hey, baby.
I'll be glad when the day comes when I can take my cats, my entire family, home. They can't go to the apartment with us. Now that we live in the apartment.
I kiss her nose because
eventually, they'll be on the land too. But we come here to take care of them. Hey, Tootie, fruity girl. Hey, Tootie.
So I learned a fact from your sister, Mommy.
My sister?
Yeah, if you go down in their collars, they'll start closing their eyes because it feels good.
What sister?
Your sister.
Which one?
The one that don't really come to our house. Like Uncle Calvin.
Oh, Uncle Curl.
Yeah, and they get very comfortable. So that's how I get her to calm down whenever I do something bad to her.
Why would you do something bad to her?
In case she do something bad.
So would you spank her?
I just hit her on the head.
You don't do that. That's why she gonna scratch you. Look at Fred. Hey, Freddy. Hey, Freddy. Freddy. Hey, Freddy. Hey, Freddy. Hey, Freddy.
Or sometimes I get her calm by letting her lick me on my cheek, but I just hold her head. But sometimes she doesn't do it.
But she don't want to. Stop holding her head like that.
But I just rub her nose on me, then her nose is wet. Hey, what you doing? I like to turn her around. Like,
She's trying to run from you already because you aggravate her. I got to get her some more collar. Stop popping on her. Tootie.
bad boy with that boom boom.
We're here spending time with our kitty cats. They need human touch. We see them every 3 days. Other than that, they're home. They're here by themselves. And I love my cats. And I had them for so long, so that's family.
But does the food go up her nose?
I don't know. But these are our babies.
One time I watched this video when they act like the cat was a gun, so they hold two of the legs and then they meowed and then like it's like a little meow gun.